Welcome to our tutorial on how to reset firewall settings on Windows 10. Your firewall is an essential security feature that protects your computer from unauthorized access. In this guide, we will walk you through the simple steps to reset your firewall settings to their default state. Let's get started. Hello there, Windows 10 users. If you are experiencing issues with your firewall settings or suspect that they have been modified, follow these steps to reset them. Step 1. Begin by opening the Start menu on your Windows 10 device. Step 2. In the search bar, type Windows Security and click on the top result to open the app. Step 3. Within the Windows Security app, locate and click on the Firewall and Network Protection option. Step 4. In the Firewall and Network Protection settings, scroll down and find the Restore Firewall to Default option and click on it. Step 5. A confirmation window will appear. Click on the Restore Default button to proceed. Step 6. Lastly, another confirmation prompt will appear. Click on the Yes button to confirm the reset. And there you have it. Your firewall settings have been successfully reset to their default state on Windows 10. Congratulations! You have learned how to reset your firewall settings on Windows 10. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your firewall is properly configured and protecting your computer from potential threats. Remember, a well-maintained firewall is crucial for maintaining the security of your system. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and keep your system protected with Windows 10.